A warning this evening: while murders are falling, deadly encounters involving the security forces are rising. Opposition spokesman on National Security Fitz Jackson says Jamaica cannot trade one form of violence for another. Mr. Jackson was speaking at the Whitfield Town Divisional Conference in South St. Andrew recently. Fewer murders, but more questions. A deadly contradiction now casting a shadow over Jamaica's crime fight. Past reports from oversight bodies and human rights groups have repeatedly raised red flags about fatal police shootings, warning that unchecked force could undermine justice itself. Now, those fears have reignited.
Last year, 344 persons were killed by the security forces. And the only other year it was higher than that was in 1985, when it was 385. 356, sorry. 356 more Jamaicans killed then, 344 killed last year, and over 50 are killed so far in this year. No, sorry, 150 so far. Sorry. No, that is unacceptable.
A stark reality: one set of killings going down, another climbing. Opposition spokesman on National Security Fitz Jackson says that trend is dangerous and fundamentally wrong.
Police can't be judge, jury, and executioner. The role of police is to apprehend suspected criminals, and our justice system allow them to prove their innocence, and if they are found guilty, the law takes its course through the courts. That's what a democratic society provides for as ours.
He warns justice cannot be delivered at the barrel of a gun, but perhaps most alarming is who is pulling the trigger.
In almost all of the cases of the fatal shootings by police, it is not carried out by the local police. It's not carried out by the local police. It is some other group of police officers involved in those activities. And that is frightening and is of great concern.